Hi, my name is Amina Khan, and today we're going to focus on doing an activity for grade 1 learners. This activity is going to focus on the stage practice. So practice is a stage where learners practice whatever they've been taught, and by them practicing every day makes them better at it. So Mrs. Bolton needs to get Justin to practice saying the poems and the nursery rhymes of the rest of the class, because this will help him participate, and it'll also help him pronounce these words better and learn these words so he can use it in sentences. Mrs. Bolton also notices that Justin has an oral language development difficulty, and he has syntax. So he's unable to form full sentences. So Mrs. Bolton needs to find a way in which she can help him. And because he cannot read, because he has a language delay, Mrs. Bolton needs to find a better way to help him. So she could use visual cues. By her using visual cues, this will deliver a message to him in a way in the form of pictures. So by him looking at the picture, he'll understand what to say. She also knows that he doesn't know how to speak full sentences. So he says Justin wants lunch, and he cannot say I want lunch, or he says me want it. He cannot refer to himself as I. He always refers to himself using his name. So she needs to find a way to help him. So she wants to do an activity with him using flashcards, and she wants to focus on the concept I. So she's going to use a big flashcard where she's going to write the letter I and draw a picture of him. So this way she's telling him that this is himself, and this is the letter I, and she wants him to refer to himself as I. So she tells Justin to come to in front of the class to her, and she explains this to him. So she wants him to practice saying the letter I, so he focuses on the letter I and he's able to refer to it as himself. So she tells him to repeat the letter I a few times after her. Then she tells him that she's going to do an activity with him for 3 days where she rings the bell. And in those 3 days, whenever she rings the bell, he has to stand up and show her the flashcard and tell her the letter I 5 times. So by him doing this every day, it gets good practice for him. So he's able to get the concept that I means referring to himself, and he doesn't refer to himself as Justin anymore. So after the 3 days are over, she now calls him and asks him to say I in a sentence for her. And then he does it. And then after he does it, she sees how this has helped him. So she can now use other letters or other words to help him on flashcards. Thank you.